one of the dignitaries on today's occasion, being on high table, and a lot of accolades have been given to you. Officially, we need you to introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you very much, gentlemen of the press. My name is Ukwu Prince Andemo Ezekwa, a stakeholder in Munshi politics and a stakeholder in Igbo politics in Lagos State, even in PDP before.
Okay, so what made you using the statement, a stakeholder? What qualify you on that?
A stakeholder because I'm always at the decision making, and I give you raw truth, not minding whatever cost.
Okay, can we look at some of the decisions that you've taken, contributed to, and the positive effect in the growth and development of Igbo community in Lagos State?
Okay, I never wanted to join Igbo speaking community. I formed Igbo community in Munshi. We worked with we worked with Solomon.
Which of the Solomon name?
Solomon, Senator Solomon Ganiu. We worked with him. We worked with other people. I left because that time I didn't want to be a chairman or I followed Akilu everywhere. I was one of the senior members of DPM.
What's the full meaning of DPM?
DPM is grassroots movement of that Adele.
Now, sir, much of that politics, I want to ask you. You are here today to witness the New Yam Festival now, Fall of Peter Umeh. What is your assessment of today's event?
This thing is okay, but there is no only this Etilogo
dancing group.
Because in Ewaji, you must have dances, cultural dances. That is what is lacking here, cultural dances, because it is our heritage. Iriji Festival goes with cultural dances, merriment, and others.
Your advice to Ndigbo in Mushi?
My advice to Ndigbo and the Igbos in general is to maintain peace, respect themselves, because we are in another.
We are strangers.
No, we are not strangers in Nigeria, but we are
in another state,
in another tribe's land. So everybody should respect itself. By way of talking, we talk cautiously. We don't talk like maturely. So in every meeting I tell you, even my Igbo cultural association that I formed, and I met a woman, PG. I'm the founder. It's a worldwide something. We launched out last 2 Saturdays, and he was there.
Talking about the Ukwu association worldwide, what is the mission statement? Why did you form it?
The mission statement is to develop Igbo in the manner Igbo Union developed an Igbo. It was after the war that Ndigbo became beggary. When we lost everything, anywhere money comes, let it come. They subdue their brothers and sisters in order to be on top. Look at what some of all these nonsense ministers are doing. Before you, one of the ministers is in charge of roads.
Why?
All the roads, you can call the name. All the roads from Bini to Enugu in a sorry state, and he called himself a minister. So they are beggary because of positions, peanuts. we bring Igbo Kunie to make sure there is implementation, revival of Igbo values. Our girls, our ladies, not only girls, are all over in hotels. Doing what? Before, Igbo lady, it's a taboo to see an Igbo lady in a hotel. So we have a lot of things to do.